What if I told you that one machine inside your home could replace your job? No office, no boss, no waiting for clients to maybe buy. Some of these machines make more in a weekend than most jobs pay in a month. In this video, I'm showing you 10 real machines people are already using to make serious money from home by offering services businesses must pay for. No hype, no trends, just machines that work every single day. Let's start strong.
This content is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee any specific income, profit, or results.
Number 10. Laser rust and paint removal. The first time you see this machine working, you instantly understand why it makes money. There are no chemicals, no grinding, and no surface damage. Just a laser that deletes rust and paint like they never existed. Clients don't see cleaning, they see advanced technology, and that perception alone justifies high prices. You're not selling products here. You're selling a premium industrial service. Laser cleaning is typically charged between $60 and $120 per hour, and with steady work, it's completely realistic to generate between $3,500 and $7,000 per month. Entry-level portable laser systems capable of this work usually cost between $2,500 and $6,500. Factories, workshops, and construction companies need this service constantly. And the next machine turns the ground itself into a product. Number 9. Sawed roll cutter. Most people walk on grass. Others sell it. A sawed roll cutter slices grass into clean, uniform rolls ready for installation in gardens, homes, stadiums, and commercial projects. It's simple, fast, and demand never stops. Sawed typically sells between $4 and $8 per square meter, and a single machine can cut roughly 400 to 700 square meters per day. With consistent work, monthly income can realistically reach between $3,200 and $5,000. Machines capable of doing this usually cost between $700 and $2,500. Now we move from soil to concrete, where margins get even bigger. Number 8. Concrete curb extruder. This machine doesn't build curbs, it prints money on the ground. It moves forward and leaves perfect concrete curbs behind it in real time. No molds, no waiting, no wasted material. Construction companies love speed, and they pay for it. Curb installation is typically charged between $8 and $18 per meter, and producing around 120 to 250 meters per day makes it realistic to generate between $5,000 and $12,000 per month. Compact concrete curb extruders suitable for this work usually cost between $1,500 and $8,000. And the next machine proves you don't need technology to make money, just a problem nobody wants. Number 7. Tree stump grinder. One tree gets cut down, and the real problem stays behind. That's where this machine gets paid. The stump grinder shows up, destroys the stump, and leaves nothing behind. No creativity, no selling, just pure problem solving. Clients don't negotiate, they want it gone. Stump removal is commonly charged between $80 and $250 per stump, and handling just a few jobs per day can realistically generate between $3,000 and $5,500 per month. Compact stump grinders capable of this work usually cost between $1,200 and $3,500. The next machine is simple, but unavoidable. Number 6. Vibratory concrete screed. Every concrete pour needs leveling. Every single one. This machine does it fast, clean, and professionally, and a single person can operate it. Contractors usually charge between $2.50 and $5 per square meter for the service. Even small residential or commercial projects can add up to $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Professional vibratory screeds are surprisingly affordable, often costing between $300 and $1,200. Up to this point, these machines are simple. The next ones get even harder to replace. Now, let's talk about cleaning without water or chemicals. Number 5. Dry ice blaster. This machine cleans without touching. No water, no chemicals, no residue. It blasts grease, paint, and dirt while equipment stays fully assembled, which is exactly why businesses pay premium rates for it. Each job is commonly charged between $180 and $500, and completing only 3 to 5 jobs per week can push monthly income into the $3,500 to $8,500 range. Compact dry ice blasters capable of this work typically cost between $1,000 and $3,800. Next machine turns raw wood into instant value. Number 4. Portable band sawmill. This machine takes cheap logs and turns them into expensive boards. That's the business. This is one of the few machines where the math is obvious. You buy raw logs for around $80 to $150 per cubic meter, cut them, stack them, and sell finished boards worth $300 to $600 per cubic meter. There's no guessing and no marketing tricks here. Process just 12 to 18 cubic meters per month, and it's completely realistic to generate between $3,500 and $8,500. Portable band sawmills capable of doing this work usually cost between $1,100 and $3,800. And the next machine doesn't cut, it reveals. Number 3. Concrete polisher. Old, ugly concrete floors aren't a problem. They're money waiting to be uncovered. This machine doesn't build floors. It makes existing ones look brand new. Warehouses, shops, parking lots, and homes constantly need this service. Concrete polishing is normally charged between $7 and $15 per square meter, and handling just a few hundred square meters per month can generate between $2,500 and $7,500. Machines capable of producing these results usually fall between $3,000 and $9,000. Now, let's talk about real power. Number 2. Hydraulic post driver. No digging, no concrete, no waiting. This machine drives posts into the ground in seconds for fencing, farms, solar fields, and industrial sites. Installation is typically charged between $8 and $20 per post, and driving just 35 to 60 posts per day can realistically generate between $5,000 and $10,000 per month. Compact hydraulic post drivers suitable for this work usually cost between $2,500 and $11,000. And the final machine proves one simple thing. Number 1. Traffic line painting machine. Lines mean rules. Rules mean contracts. Parking lots, roads, factories, courts, and warehouses all need markings, and they need them repeatedly. Line painting is commonly charged between $2 and $4 per linear meter, and painting just a few thousand meters per month can bring in $3,500 to $6,000. Compact traffic line painting machines capable of this work are available between $1,100 and $4,000.
Permanent demand.
Repeat clients. Now you see why these machines work.
This isn't about luck.
It's about choosing machines that solve real problems. Some people scroll. Others pick one machine and change everything. Which one shocked you the most? And which machine do you think almost nobody is using? Comment below and subscribe if you want more real opportunities that actually make money.